Hi folks, it's Trevor Lewis again from the Voyager Middle School STEAM Lab. In this video I'm going to use SketchUp for schools, and I'm going to show you how to use the Follow Me tool, and we're going to use this to sweep along a path profile. So the Follow Me tool is hidden right here. Usually it's underneath the Push-Pull tool, so choose the Follow Me tool. The first thing you click on the Follow Me tool is the thing that you want to follow you along a path. So that's we call that your sketch profile in SolidWorks. And then instead of clicking on the path, you actually just trace along the path. But it does not work super well if the path is off to the side like this. So you can see I'm trying to go along this path, but it's doing all sorts of folding back in on itself and weirdness, and then I click when I'm done having it follow. You can see that did not turn out the way I wanted it to. It might have been because it's over here. It also might have been because this triangle is very large. Let's try this hexagon. Click on the hexagon and then follow that path along its length with my mouse, and then click on the endpoint. Once the computer catches up, wait until it says endpoint, it's caught up, and then click. And you can see that weirdness at the start went away, and we ended up with a nice thing that's going to make a solid if I make that into a group. Let's try it one more time. The cool thing about SketchUp is you can do these complex paths like this too. This goes up in one plane, and then in a completely separate plane I have an arc. So I'm going to click on the circle, trace along this line, and then go along this line. You can even trace along lines that are intersecting in different ways, and you just trace along the lines. So that's how you do a sweep using the SketchUp Follow Me tool. It's actually pretty effective. If you want to know how to extrude or to revolve, I have videos for that. And if you want to know how to do a manual loft in SketchUp, I will show you how to do that the long way.